Hey, what's up everyone? Aubrey Trades here, and welcome to another Sunday night watch list. I'm gonna go over some trade ideas that I got my eye on for the week ahead. Now, let's get into it. Watch list is getting pretty long, not gonna lie to you. So if you wanna see the entire thing and all the tickers I'm tracking, I got it in the link below, or I got a link in the description below, rather. But we're gonna go over my top ideas for the week ahead. In OTC land, I really like TGGI. Such an amazing comeback off of the lows, making new highs here, pushing that 3-cent range. And at this point, I'm gonna look for an open north of 227 or 236 to rotate back up to test this 3-cent level. Which, you know what's really funny is that somehow this line was here before and I didn't put that line in. It was just there. And that, I think, is hilarious. Why did we draw that line? Well, because we went and looked at the weekly chart. Look at this, boom. And I just put lines in here off of these levels, right? So over 3, then it's 8 would be my next level. We're gonna add that in there too. If this is gonna keep going, it would be hilarious to see TGGI be the OTC that like has the insane run. So 8, 13 is that next level. So hilarious how that works out. The magic of the lines is just awe-inspiring. Anyway, so we are looking for that rotation back up to test that 3 level on Monday, Tuesday, whenever it's going to be. The level to clear over is 234 though, and then rotate back up. I will take that trade, yes please. Let's look at IFRX. I had been talking about this one for the break over 5, and we finally did get it on Friday, going up to 565 here. Really nice. I missed it. I tried to play it here on Wednesday, and I got faked out and then didn't catch it on Friday like an idiot. And I saw it happening too, and I was just like, nah, it faked me out last time. It's not gonna happen. Nah. Bam, 565. So at this point, I'm hoping that we get some sort of week open. I would love to see 520s, 515s tested as like support now for a continuation move. Still like BCTX, been building into a swing position here, and they got some presentations going on. The company's doing a bunch of share buybacks here at 52-week highs, which is really, really a positive note. They got a new CEO. That's like a big deal in the freaking space, and yada yada. Don't actually care what the news is, only that it is a positive catalyst. And the fact that the company is buying back shares is pretty cool, but the technical setup is really what I'm most interested in. Nice trend break over here, now basing retested this 1050 breakout level, so we're going to be looking for this rotation back up. At this point, if you're looking to enter, you know, I'd say you could take a position risking that 930 range pretty safely. Personally, I'm scaling into long calls in the Robinhood account since this is a slower mover, and apparently I have better luck with those than I do with trading intraday. So, meh. Back over here, BTB. Now a blue sky setup here, making new all-time highs at 3, squeezing in the after hours up to 428. So keep an eye on this baby for continuation. I'm praying that we get some sort of weak open red to green move for a nice entry. Otherwise, like, this might just gap up and do something completely freaking dumb. So I don't know. If it gaps up a bunch, I mean, look for a dip and rip opportunity out of the open, or VWAP hold high at daybreak. You know, ideas. Definitely keeping a close eye on BTB, and still love the EV ideas. Lucid still looking really nice, kind of pushing against this trend line. Look for that open over 44 to rotate back up. Would be really, really great. Ford also looking pretty nice. Look for that open over 1967 to rotate back up into this 20 range. Ford obviously a slower mover, larger float, so more of a swing idea. Or Lucid, you could get some nicer intraday moves if you're in for the day trade action. Also worth noting, Rivian. which had some nice trade opportunities here. Fresh IPO, hot. I think EV is just like back in trend, so watching these all week. Favorites are Ford and Lucid. Rivian, I don't know, maybe if they get some options at this point, it's like kind of higher. It's kind of too high priced for me. I don't know. Still like the meme idea, the meme resurgence idea. The one I'm keeping the closest eye on is Bed Bath & Beyond. Look at this. I mean, it didn't really do much last week, but this is great consolidation. Look at this ascending triangle pattern we have here. Look for the breakout over 25 to rotate back into the 30s, which is the pre-market highs of that initial, there we go, this initial day here. Got to a high of 32, so keep that in mind. And you know, if we go over here to a weekly chart and pull up AMC or GME or something, these still look so freaking cute. Look at it, just getting nice, tight, wedging up. GME kind of broke out of its wedge and it's just kind of basing a little bit more. Still great little developments. I haven't lost hope on the meme resurgence idea. Still looks pretty good to me. Also want to mention NEG kind of perking back up to life on, what was it? They started rolling out their holiday ad campaigns, like whatever. But I guess it gave traders a reason to pump the stock a little bit, right? But what we do have is convergence here on the moving average clouds, and we're hovering above it. So, you know, north of 1662, rotating back up into the 1718 area. Remember, this did spike up to 70s. Not that I think it can do it again, but you know, keep an eye on it. You know, the 20 is going to be a nice psychological resistance level. Then it's 30. It really starts to open up after 35 though. So keep that in mind for NEG. UEC, slower mover, uranium energy, you know, swing idea. What did I say? UEC. Oh my god. Boom. Chilling at all-time highs, 52-week highs. So, you know, if you can get in on a dip or whatever and then set your risk to 486 and just let it work, that's a nice swing idea. PPSI, still not dead. PPSI still not dead. Hanging around. They got earnings coming up. If the earnings is positive, look for the trend break. You know, open over $9, could definitely see a nice rotation. You could also look at $8.50 as a psychological level. Yeah, so keeping an eye on that one as well. And then we'll close it out with MRAM. MRAM, earnings winner, new all-time highs. Bam, I completely fumbled this trade idea. Ugh, so upsetting. I bought the give me the 10-minute chart, Jesus. So I bought up here. I missed it. I was stalking it through this entire zone, missed the entry, and then set my risk to like not wide enough. So I bought here and then set my risk here since I was buying too high up, and I thought the squeeze would continue immediately, and I got chopped out here on the slam down, which just tells me, like, one, if you miss the entry, just chill. Like, just chill and wait, because if I chilled and wait, this would have been another great entry here when it starts to recover. Nice short trap set up here for a squeeze up. So, right. Or set your risk wider. The best risk level to pick in this example would have been here at 924, right? So, couple takeaways for MRAM. Look for weak open red to greens for continuation. You know, CWBR just came out with a $250 price target, some boutique firm, whatever. They had a weekend presentation. I'm only looking to see if the market's going to react favorably after the weekend presentation. But I wouldn't look for anything more than just retesting this high here of 84 cents. I mean, on the daily, this is a really bearish chart. So manage expectations. I'm gonna close it out there. You know, the Zach Morris pump's not really doing anything. MedX had a secondary offering, so they kind of slammed back down, which sucks. CYN doing nothing. What was the other one? CNTX and MRAY. but we're gonna keep tracking them. But yeah, bunch of nothing. Anyway, that is all I got. Qualcomm was a good, is a nice like swing idea. I still like. Still kind of chilling at the highs there. Etsy has been performing really nice. These are long call option ideas. Swinging, Jan 2022 is out of the money. This is so great, man. But yeah, that's all I really got for you. If you want to see the rest of the watch list, again, I have it in the description below. But these are my top ideas for the week. Again, Tiggy for that rotation back to test the 3-cent level. BCTX is my main swing watch I'm keeping an eye on. Still like an IFRX. BTB, 100% top watch in the morning, as is I'm going to be watching the EV plays all freaking week, and BBBY. Yeah, again, I kind of put it in order of what I like the most, and then the large cap ideas I keep at the bottom, and these are like my options swing ideas. So anyway, that's all I got. Thanks so much for watching. If you got value out of this video, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing and let me know in the comments down below what other type of content you want to see from this channel. I'm Hobby Trades. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.